Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. I am on board the Holland America Koningsdam in Vancouver, and this ship is en route to Alaska. So follow along and let's see what we see. There's approximately 1,300 staterooms, and as I was noting while I was on board ship, balconies are, I don't know, in my opinion, kind of crucial for really enjoying your trip. I mean, they're not mandatory at all, but it is sure nice to be able to sit out on your balcony and enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of wine and watch the world go by. And down below you can see rooms that are not balcony. So do consider this when you are planning your vacation. This ship was truly magnificent to see. It surpassed my expectations. I would love to go to Alaska on this ship, and I may very well do so. And there is piano entertainment. Club Orange. Let's have a peek at this. This is for the Club Orange members, so choose your staterooms well. Pinnacle Grill. This is Northwest Pacific cuisine, and they specialize in steaks. Wine cellar. Very expansive. It's always nice to do a little bit of shopping when you're on board. This is the Blues Club. Clearly whiskey tasting. Stateroom 7112. And this is a balcony suite. Twin beds, and this would be a lovely balcony if you're taking a trip up to Alaska. You can sit out and have a cup of coffee, relax on the chaise lounge, and watch the world go by. New York Deli and Pizza. Basketball, pickleball. This would be a ship that you would truly enjoy for 7 nights. The lovely harbor of Vancouver. This is the Lido bar. And again, if you want upgraded alcohol, do choose a drink package carefully. This is the buffet, so let's have a look and see what it is that they serve. Sweet spot.
Oh, this is where you get the ice cream.
Good morning. On this cruise ship, they do things a bit differently. You do not necessarily serve yourself. You point to what it is that you would like, and the staff will assist you. Buns, poisson, and some sweet treats. So all you do is indicate your selection and they will put it on a plate for you.
Trying to get this.
Lido Market. Oh, this looks like a fun kids club. My goodness.
Oh, sorry.
Hey everyone, this has been a great visit on the Koningsdam. This is a wonderful ship, so if you're thinking about going to Alaska, give me a call. This is superb.
Is it big, small? It's okay. It's shorter than that one. Shorter.
This is a cabin but with no window. So when you're choosing, make sure that you choose the room that best suits you. Do you want a porthole to look out or not? Now, this is a cabin with a window. So if it's imperative that you look out and see the ocean, make sure that you choose a room that has a window. This is very comfortable king-size bed, flat screen TV. Very nice.
Sure. Are you with them?
Cabin 1087, and this has 2 twin beds.
Do I talk to you? Floors are like very
1075.
yeah, right?
Plug in for your devices. Sofa. Flat screen TV.
So you want to take a picture of this one?
This is the closet. Extra storage, which is always needed. Bathroom. Beautiful mirror. Toilet. Lovely shower. Certainly would enjoy that. And again, lots of storage. Room 1111. And again, this is an inside stateroom, so there is no window. But this is very much like a bedroom, which is a nice thing. Flat screen TV. Closets. And the bathroom. This is room 1121, wheelchair access. So with a wider entryway, and a wheelchair access bathroom. No ledge. Very nice. When you are choosing a cruise, they offer drink packages. So carefully review which drink package that you would prefer. I mean, if you're not a drinker, then it's not an issue, but if you're liking premium brands, you may want to upgrade. Good morning. Thank you. That Belvedere. So a lot of high-end brands. What a cozy area to just sit and relax and enjoy your drink. Rudy's French seafood. Oh my, this is very elegant. Ocean bar. Comfortable seating. This is Stateroom 7102, a signature suite. So when you're choosing your room category, be sure to explore, making sure you get the room that you want. This is a large suite. Oh my. King size bed, lots of pillows, pin lights, plug-ins near your side of the bed, flat screen TV, and a room with a balcony. I have been on a cruise that has a balcony, and it is so worth the investment. If you are considering a cruise, I highly recommend a balcony. It just enhances your stay. Storage. This stateroom has well-stocked mini fridge for sure. There's wine, beer, Perrier, water, different juices. Lots of storage and closet space. And the bathroom, double vanity, jacuzzi jetted tub, lovely shower. Very spacious bathroom for sure, and storage. 7097, and this is an inside cabin, so no window. 7099. Twin beds and a balcony. 7117, a mini suite, and it is grand in my opinion. Sofa with coffee table, 2 chairs, king size bed, coffee station, mini bar with glasses, the touches are just incredible. This is very luxurious. Beautiful bathroom, glass shower stall, jacuzzi tub, double sinks, large mirror. What more could you need? 8142. Very comfortable, and again with a balcony.
Laka series more people in this party? No, we were the back elevator. That's the weekend.
Dive in. I'm on the 9th deck with the pool. This is beautiful. Pool on the 9th floor. Stunning. Spa. This is lovely. Hey everyone, Susan from Escapes. I have just had the great pleasure of touring the Koningsdam, Holland, America, en route to Alaska from Vancouver. I am super impressed. If you're thinking about planning an Alaska vacation, starting in Vancouver, give me a call. I love this ship. I would love to go on it myself, and I'm actually looking into that. So give me a call and let's start planning your next vacation to Alaska.